Welcome to On the Surf. I'm Jimmy.
And I'm Sandra.
This is the kids, Hector and Jack. And these are the dogs. Follow us on our adventures on the seas. Please like, share and subscribe. It's free. Stay tuned. Yeah, here we are doing probably the last trip for this season. I'm preparing the boat to get it out of the water tomorrow. That means I need to fill up the tank, the diesel tank, so it don't collect water condensation over the winter, and that will make launching the boat in the spring much easier. And to fuel this boat with diesel, that means to go into the marina that's in the bay next to us, and that's what I'm doing right now. And after I fueled it and returned to my normal dock, I will calculate how much fuel we have used up this summer and how much and what's the fuel consumption on this boat by hour and per nautical mile. So let's get to it. Let's see how much fuel we get in. And as you can see, I've made glasses in the tank for inspection. Yeah, and it's easy to see when it's full, so I don't overfill. There, it's full. Let's see how many liters we got in. .43 liters. That's not much for an entire summer with a boat. These little engines are amazing that way. So let's calculate what the numbers are. So let's see. According to the log I run on my tablet, so this is all GPS numbers, so it's fairly accurate. According to the log, since the last fuel up, we did that when we launched the boat, we have run 315.4 nautical miles, and we have used up 41.43 liters, and our average speed, according to the log, is 4.3 knots, and if my math is correct, that's 0.13 liters per nautical mile, or 0.56 liters in hour. Yeah, the numbers are a little bit higher than the manual says from 1971, so yeah, the engine has 50 years on it, so yeah. But 0.56 liters per hour isn't much, and 0.13 liters per nautical mile is definitely not much. Yeah, I just keep getting surprised by this boat. It's really economical, and you can, yeah. The slogan from Albin when they launched this boat the first time, it was with an Albin you can afford to go as far as you want, and with these numbers, yeah, it's just reality. It's basically running on air. That's that for fuel consumption. Now it's time to get the boat ready for the hard, and that's for tomorrow. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up if you like this content. If you don't like this content, leave a comment below and tell me what you're interested to see, and I will probably do a video about that. And if you just wonder about something, just leave a comment below and I will try and get you a video about that. Yeah, today we're gonna get the boat out of the water, and as usual the day started perfect with a flat tire on the trailer, and I got to the marina and got in the boat and was preparing to go empty the tanks and stuff like that. And yesterday they shut off the vacuum station, so now we are going 2 marinas over. They aren't supposed to close the emptying station there until Friday, so hopefully it will be open. And I don't like that marina because it's real tricky to get in there. Yeah, you will see when you get there. It's markers everywhere. Really tight, but it's really deep where it's in the channel into the marina. I will show you in a bit. Yeah, from here out to here, it's full of rocks just below the surface, and as you can see we are quite close to shore on the starboard side. I don't like going into this marina because right here where we are going now it's dredged, but these markers, they are secured on a long line. That means they drift a couple of meters. So yeah, follow the dotted line and keep in the center. And as you can see, we need to go, I don't know if you can see it here, but these dots continue, so we have to go almost up on land and then turn really sharp, and we are going here. So I'm gonna stop filming and pay attention to the chart, the last stretch, so hopefully we make it. Yeah, as you can see, it's not much space here. There's the first marker and then it's the next marker. It's, if you have a small boat, let's say 2 meters wide, it's just enough space to meet here in this section, but as you can see it's really tight, so don't meet a bigger boat right here, and here we need to turn real hard to the starboard, otherwise we will continue that way and get aground. And as you can see, we are quite close here, so yeah, not my favorite spot.